Hey everyone, in this question we'll use the remainder theorem to solve this problem. The question states that the remainder when x cubed plus kx squared plus x minus 2 is divided by x minus 2 is equal to 20. Find the value of k. So let's state the remainder theorem. If a polynomial px is divided by x minus a, then the remainder is equal to pa. So this here is our polynomial px, and this is our divisor x minus 2. So the first thing to do, compare your divisor with the divisor of the theorem, and we'll write that down. So we'll write that as x minus a equals x minus 2. So you can see here that a will be equal to 2. Therefore, our remainder will be equal to p2. From the question, the remainder is already given. The remainder is 20. Therefore, you can write p2 equals 20. If you solve this equation, you can find k. Let's do that. So let's calculate p2. So we'll substitute 2 into our polynomial. So we'll have 2 cubed plus k times 2 squared plus 2 minus 2. So let's simplify more. P2 will be equal to 8 plus 4k, and the 2 minus 2 will cancel. As our remainder equals 20, we can now write 20 equals 8 plus 4k. By rearrangement, you'll get 4k equals 12. Dividing both sides by 4, you'll get k equals 3. So that's the required coefficient that would go into your polynomial. Thanks for watching.